Precision medicine is a dynamic field which integrates the latest research advances into individual treatment. It seeks to provide the most tailored diagnostic tools and treatment for patients with any form of problems, from cardiac disease to diabetes to cancer. Precision medicine can even be used to keep healthy patients even healthier. It includes medications themselves, including targeted therapy against mutations found in certain cancers, gene therapy, and immunotherapy. Precision medicine drills down to know as much about the patient as possible, from understanding the genome to considering metabolomics, proteomics, and the microbiome, and even pharmacogenomics. Precision medicine even looks inside a patient's social mediaome to see if we can allow for even earlier detection of disease and who would respond to one treatment versus another. The charge of the field of precision medicine is to integrate this information clinically as well as in research, using novel clinical trials such as Basket, Umbrella, N of 1, Adaptive, and other innovative trials to reach the patient as soon as possible.
So the first human genome took about 10 years to complete, and now we're doing it in about 2 days. And that cost went from several $1 billion down to around $1,000.
The whole workflow is underpinned by Intel technology. Disease can really be diagnosed in the DNA. Genomic sequencing represented a molecular diagnosis. So I went to my pathologist and I had 2 words for him. I just said, sequence me. In our DNA are 6 billion letters. These are essentially the genetic code that make us who we are. Genomic sequencing allows us to uncover that genetic code and also to look for mistakes and defects in it that could be the drivers of disease. What we found is that I had mutations in my DNA that were messed up and causing my cancer to grow. I used that data to find a phase 1 early drug trial that offered the opportunity to shut down those specific drivers of my disease. And it worked. It shut it down for 2 years. That's what precision medicine is really all about. The right drug for the right person at the right time.
What we're doing is sequencing lots of people to try and understand the patterns of disease. Our genomic sequencers put out a huge amount of data. We manage about 70 petabytes of data. And to put that in perspective, if you look at every word in all of the books that have ever been written, it's still only about 50 petabytes. So we manage 20 petabytes more than that.
The problem is when you start amassing massive amounts of this data, there's things that we're gonna miss.
So Broad and Intel are working together to create AI and machine learning based tools to analyze genomic data.
When Intel thinks about artificial intelligence, we really think about how artificial intelligence can crunch that data to find a unique insight.
AI can find patterns in data that the human eye can't see, that machines can find.
As we get better at that into the future, AI can help unlock those insights and make it more streamlined for patients to get the right therapy they need as quickly as possible.